Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to solve a problem which came in the year 2016 in JAM Biotechnology paper. So here the question is, if f of x equal ax square plus b for 0 less than equal x less than equal 1 and if x equals cx plus sine pi by 2x for 1 less than equal x less than equal 2 is continuous and differentiable at all points in the interval 0 to 2 and f of 2 equal pi by 4, then option A equal pi by 16 and b equal pi by 16 plus 1. Option B equal pi by 16 plus 1 and c equal pi by 8. Option C, A equal pi by 8 and c equal pi by 8. Option D, A equal pi by 8 and b equal minus 3 pi by 16. Okay, so let us first write down what is given. So given is f of x equal ax square plus b for the range 0 to 1, and very carefully see that it is 0 less than equal x less than equal 1, that is x is equal to 0 and equal to 1, okay, not only less, okay, but less than equal to. Okay, so this is for 0 to 1 range, and for 1 to 2 fx is equal cx plus sine pi by 2x. Okay, it is for 1 less than equal x less than equal 2. Okay, so it is given. Now first see that here fx is given in 0 to 1, that is x is when x is less than equal 1, that is when x is equal 1, then it is valid, fx is equal ax square plus b, and when x is 1 less than equal x, that is x is equal 1, okay, x is equal 1, then also fx equal cx plus sine pi by 2x. That is from these two, okay, let me erase this. So from these two, we can write f of 1 equal a into 1 square plus b, that is in place of x, we are putting 1. So for x equal 1, okay, so for x equal 1, f of 1 equal a into 1 square plus b equal c into 1 plus sine pi by 2 into 1, that is we are putting x equal 1, okay. Since it is x less than equal 1 and it is 1 less than equal x, this equal sign, so we can equate these two, okay, for x equal 1 only. Okay, so from here it implies a into 1 square, that is a, plus b equals c into 1 is c plus sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2, that is sine 90 degree, is 1. So we get a plus b equals c plus 1. Okay, now see here f of 2, that is when x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 2 is given. Okay, so f of 2 is given as pi by 4. Okay, so let us put a for x equal to in this, okay, this expression. Why? Because in this expression, this expression is valid for x less than equal to, okay, 1 to 2. In the range 1 to 2 it is valid. So we can put c into 2 plus sine pi by 2 into 2. Okay, so this 2 cancels out and we get pi by 4 equal to c plus sine pi. Now sine pi is 0. That implies pi by 4 equal to c, or c equal pi by 4 into 2, that is 8. So we get c equal pi by 8. Okay. So here see which options contain c equal pi by 8, this and this. Okay, but we don't know the value of a and b yet, so we have to find the values of a and b first to conclude the result. So let us check f prime x, y prime. See here, the function is continuous and differentiable at all points in the interval 0 to 2. That means if I draw a curve like this, if I draw a curve like this, suppose, okay, so if this point is if this is x-axis and this is f(x) axis, then if this point is 0, this is 1, this is 2. Okay, so in the range 1 to 2, in this region f(x) is continuous. Okay, it's not a straight line but continuous curve. Okay, I can draw like this. Actually, I should erase it and let me draw like this, suppose. Okay, so at the point x equal 1, the function is continuous, and that's why we could get this. We could get this thing, right? If the function was not continuous, then we could not equate these two. Okay, now the question says that it is differentiable also at all the points in the range in the interval 0 to 2. Okay, so we can differentiate f of x first. That is, we can calculate f prime x. Okay, so f prime x equal, first take the derivative of ax square plus b, okay, with respect to x. So it becomes 2ax, right? A is constant and x square, differentiation of x square is 2x. So 2ax plus differentiation of b is 0, since b is constant. Okay, in the interval 0 to 1, right? And it is cx plus sine pi by 2x. So if we take the derivative of cx, so it becomes c only plus sine pi by 2x. Okay, it becomes, sine becomes cos pi by 2x. Okay, and this pi by 2 will come out also. Okay, so it is in the range 1 to 2. Okay. Okay, now it is f prime x. Okay, we have found f prime x. Now f prime x, for f prime x also, if it is continuous and differentiable at all the points, then we can take f prime 1 similarly as before, that is for the function fx, as we did f1 equal to ax square plus b equals cx plus sine pi by 2x. So similarly we can equate these two also for x equal 1. Okay, for x equal 1. Okay, so f prime 1 equal 2a into 1 equal c plus pi by 2 cos pi by 2 into 1. Okay. Now it becomes 2a equals c plus pi by 2 into cos pi by 2. That means cos 90 degree. Now cos 90 degree is 0. Right? So we get 2a equals c or a equal c by 2. Now we know we have c equal pi by 8. So we can write pi by 8 into 2, that is 16. So we have found a equal pi by 16. Okay, that is which option? Option C is incorrect. So option A is correct. A equal pi by 16. Now let us check for B. So from where we can get it? From here we can get it, right? So let us put the value of A and C here. Okay, so we get B equal c plus 1 minus a, that is equal pi by 8 plus 1 minus pi by 16, that is equal to pi by 16 plus 1. So this is the value of B, that is in both A and B we have B equal pi by 16 plus 1, right? So option A and B, both option A and B are correct answers, and this was a MSQ type question. So option A and B both are correct. Okay, so I hope you could understand the solution, but it is not the end of this video today, because there is another problem for you which you have to do by your own. This is do it your own problem. Okay, so here you have to find the value of x if y equal to x cube minus 15x square plus 36x plus 8 and y prime equal 12. Okay, you have to find the values of x, and the options are option A, values of x, actually values of x. Okay, option A, x equal 1, option B, x equal 2, option C, x equal 3, and option 4, option D is x equal 4. Okay, and this is again a MSQ type question, so it can only one answer can be correct, or more than one answer can be correct. Okay, so put your answer in the comment section, and if you put your answer in the comment section, only then I will upload the solution in a different video. And if you don't respond to this question, I will not upload any solution to this question. Okay, and if you have any further doubt regarding this solution, you can tell me in the comment section. And if you like this video, then please click on the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Ta-da!